Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best spray for itch relief. The Ivy Corporation Dry Super Itch Relieving Spray. If you've ever suffered from irritating, persistent itching caused by poison ivy or similar skin irritations, this product promises fast and effective relief, and we're here to explore what makes it stand out. The Ivy Corporation Dry Super Itch Relieving Spray comes in a convenient 6 fluid-ounce bottle, designed to be easy to use and carry. Its compact size of just 1.6 by 1.6 by 4 inches and light weight of under 6 ounces make it perfect for outdoor adventures or simply keeping in your medicine cabinet for quick access. What really sets this spray apart is its fast-acting formula. The product provides soothing relief by calming itchy skin immediately upon application. Unlike creams or lotions, sprays can cover affected areas quickly and evenly without the need for rubbing, which often aggravates sensitive skin further. This makes it an excellent choice for those dealing with poison ivy rash or other similar irritations where speed and convenience are essential. Manufactured by Ivy Corporation, this product has been available since 2007 and continues to be a trusted option for itch relief. It fits within the healthcare category, specifically under pain relief and poison ivy treatments. The manufacturer's focus on providing alternative pain relief remedies shines through in this product, offering a specialized solution that targets itchiness at its source. The spray's design also makes it a hygienic option, as you can apply it directly without touching the irritated skin too much. This is especially helpful for open or sensitive skin where infection risk is a concern. The quick drying nature of the spray means no greasy residue is left behind, allowing for comfort and convenience. In terms of usage, this spray is ideal for anyone exposed to poison ivy, poison oak, or sumac, or for general itch relief. Whether you're hiking, gardening, or simply managing an unexpected rash, having a fast and effective spray can make a huge difference in how you manage discomfort throughout your day. To sum it up, the Ivy Corporation Dry Super Itch Relieving Spray offers an easy-to-use, fast-acting solution for immediate itch relief. Its portability, combined with a targeted formula, makes it one of the best choices on the market for poison ivy and other itching skin irritations. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable itch relief spray, this product is certainly worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.